Proven 7 B2B lead nurturing strategies with AI. Anybiz. In B2B marketing, lead nurturing builds relationships and guides potential clients through the sales process, increasing sales-ready leads and reducing costs significantly. Lead nurturing in B2B involves building relationships and guiding potential customers through the buying process with tailored communication and support, fostering trust and credibility crucial for successful transactions. Lead nurturing in B2B enhances sales effectiveness by focusing on understanding and meeting the specific needs of each lead, building trust and loyalty through personalized interactions, and optimizing the sales process for quicker and more efficient closures. Who should implement B2B lead nurturing? Marketing team, sales team, consumer service team, management and leadership, IT and data teams. Top firms like HubSpot, IBM, Marketo, Cisco, and Salesforce employ personalized, content-driven strategies to effectively nurture leads through the sales funnel, demonstrating the power of strategic nurturing campaigns in achieving corporate success. 7 proven B2B lead nurturing strategies. 1. Personalized email campaigns use AI to tailor content based on lead behavior, increasing engagement and conversion. Integrate CRM data and use tools like Anybiz.io or HubSpot for effective automated email personalization and nurturing. 2. AI-driven content marketing utilizes advanced tools like Karada, Crayon, and HubSpot to optimize content creation and distribution, enhancing engagement and conversions across the sales funnel. 3. AI enhances social media engagement in B2B lead nurturing by predicting behaviors, optimizing content, and automating responses through tools like Hootsuite Insights, Sprout Social, Buffer Analyze, and Crimson Hexagon. This strategic approach ensures effective engagement across platforms. 4. AI-driven lead scoring uses machine learning to analyze lead behavior and demographics, improving personalized nurturing and prioritization based on conversion probabilities. Tools such as Anybiz.io, HubSpot Sales Hub, and LeadSquared automate this process, continually updating lead insights to optimize sales efforts in real time. 5. Multi-channel nurturing with AI ensures consistent, personalized communication across email, social media, and mobile platforms. Tools like Anybiz.io, Oracle Eloqua, and Salesforce Marketing Cloud automate and optimize strategies for effective customer engagement. 6. Predictive analytics uses AI to forecast lead behavior, enabling proactive, personalized nurturing strategies. Tools like Anybiz.io, IBM Watson, SAP Leonardo, and Google Analytics predictive audiences enhance predictions for optimized engagement and conversions. 7. Retargeting strategies use AI to analyze lead interactions and deliver personalized ads aimed at re-engaging potential customers who didn't convert initially. Ads are dynamically customized based on current interests and behaviors, maximizing relevance and conversion rates across multiple platforms. Enhance B2B lead nurturing with Anybiz.io's AI capabilities, ensuring instant responses across time zones, multilingual support for global reach, and advanced topic recognition for personalized interactions that drive conversions. Before you move on, take a moment to show your support, like and subscribe to keep up with all our latest releases.